next is question number 6. Here also you need to analyze the diagram carefully, okay? And you need to know the property very well to solve this one. Without knowing property, then it's impossible to solve geometric problem, okay? Property you have to know well, then only you can analyze the diagram well, okay? So see here, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, that is four-sided figure inside circle, right? All this point lies on the circle. That's what means. That's what it means, cyclic quadrilateral, whose diagonal intersect at a point. So you can see I have drawn diagonal here, which intersect at E they have given, okay? Okay, find that one. If DBC, this angle is given 70 degree, I have already drawn. BAC 30 degree, already drawn. Now they have asked you find angle BCD. This angle you have to find out. BCD, this angle, okay? And then this angle also you have to find, ECD also. And they have given this and this also equal, okay? Means this one is an isosceles triangle, you can say, okay? So this is 30 degree, you can easily figure out this one, right? But the problem is this one. To find out this one, what you will do? So see carefully here, this and this is given, okay? So I have to use this one, right? Now see carefully, this is a chord and this is angle 70 degree, and this is also angle which is made from the same chord, right? So if I draw this one separately, it is something like this. This is segment, right? This is one segment, this is another segment, and on this segment we are drawing angle from the same chord. I am drawing this angle. This is what you have here, right? So this angle and this angle must be same or not? This is 70 degree, this also must be 70 degree, right? So this also will be how much? 70 degree. Angle on same segment are always same from the same chord, okay? So this notes I have already given, I'm just explaining you here, okay? So this is 70 degree, this also 70 degrees. So now you know this angle, you know this angle, you know this angle. Now what you do with this? Now see, this is cyclic quadrilateral, right? In cyclic quadrilateral we know that pair of opposite angles are always supplementary, means this angle plus this angle must be 180 degree, right? So if this 70 plus 30, that is 100 degree, this one, then this will be how much? Obviously 80, okay? So angle BCD is equal to how much? 80 degree. Very simple question, right? This is this plus this 180 degree it is, that's why this is 100, so it should be 80 degrees. So angle BCD we already got it. Very simple one, okay? Now you have to find out this. Now this also you can easily find out. They have said this is equal. If this is equal, this is isosceles triangle. If this is isosceles triangle, angle BCE will be what? 30 degree, because in isosceles triangle angle opposite to equal sides are always equal. Opposite to this will be the angle. Opposite to this will be the angle. So this and this must be equal. So this is 30. So this will be how much? This total is 80. This is 30. So this will be 50. Obviously angle ACD, or what they have said, ECD. Okay, let me write down ECD only. ECD is equal to how much? 50 degree. Okay, so how simply we can find out the answer if you know the property well, okay? So this diagram which looks complicated, actually it's not that complicated, this question, okay? Next question also, which is very interesting and very easy. So in this case they have said if diagonal of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameters. Diameter means it will pass from the center. So diagonal, this time also quadrilateral, you have ABCD suppose, okay? And they have said the diagonal of this ABCD is a diameter, means it will pass from the center. Now if it is diameter, this diameter and this diameter length must be same, right? So we know that AC is equal to BD from here, okay? Since it's a diameter. Now if it is a diameter, okay, now see carefully, if this is a diameter, I have to prove what here? First thing, let me read the question. Circle through the vertices of the quadrilateral. Okay, if diagonal of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameter of the circle through the vertices of the quadrilateral, prove that it is rectangle. So you have to prove that this cyclic quadrilateral is a rectangle. To show rectangle, what you have to show? Just show this one 90 degree. If I can show all angle 90 degree, then I can say, right, this is a rectangle, right? So what I can do to prove this is 90 degree, you can see this is a diameter. So this is half of circle, this is half of circle, And we know that we used to call this one as semicircle also, right? We know that angle on semicircle is always 90 degree. Now angle directly I will write ABC, or angle B directly. Angle B is equal to angle C also, right? Because this is diameter, so angle on semicircle is equal to angle D is equal to angle A. Here angle A is equal to how much? 90 degree. Why? Angle on semicircle are 90 degree, or is 90 degree, is 90. So angle on semicircle is always 90 degree means what? Obviously this will be a, so this is 90 degree, this will be 90 degree, this will be 90 degree, this will be, so it is a rectangle. Therefore ABCD is a rectangle. Okay.